Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382, and today we have a 2007 UN Mazda BT50. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle shape runs from the 11th month 2006 to the 9th month 2011. This vehicle is fitted with a WEAT 3-litre turbo diesel, backed by a 4-wheel drive manual transmission 5-speed. This vehicle is fitted with Aftermarket alloy mag wheels, 15-inch, left front has a good tyre. We have the left manual door mirror, left hand rear door appears to have no damage. We have an aftermarket 15-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre. Alloy tray in tidy condition. Aftermarket 15-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Have the right rear door. Appears to have no damage. Right hand front door. Appears to have no damage. Right hand guard, 1.25 dent. Aftermarket 15-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. Right hand headlight. Slight sun haze. Right hand mirror, tidy condition. Right hand power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy console lid, tidy center console, manual transmission, gear lever, factory aircon controls, factory 6-stack CD player, and MP3. It has a tidy grey steering wheel, instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.